Hey guys, so today is gonna be just a quick video because I wanted to show you what I bought from Jasper Rocks. And for those of you who have seen my latest video where I was making the macrame earrings from the Jasper Rocks macrame earring kit, you would have probably seen how excited I was about macrame and those earrings, and I basically had to buy more cord and other bits and bobs because I want to make more macrame stuff for me and for my friends. But the reason I'm filming this video for you is because I want you to see what you would get if you bought stuff from them yourself, and I just think everything is a really good quality, and I really want to give a shout out to Jasper Rocks because I think they are really quite amazing. So here they are, and let's get started. So this is 1mm waxed cotton cord, and it's nothing I came across ever prior to making those earrings in my last video. It's completely different from like the waxed cotton cords you can get online, and I love how eco Jasper Rocks are, because look, they are making these out of cardboard. I think it's amazing, or maybe they are having them made by somebody else, but I think it's amazing because they are recycling, so good. And now I'm gonna show you other colors. I also decided to buy the sample pack where you can see all the different colors they do in their shop, and based on that I will be then ordering the bigger spools, these sort of spools. They are not really spools, but I don't know how else to call them. Yeah, so let's see what colors they have. Honestly, they are so bright and beautiful and really good quality, so I think I'm gonna have a little bit of a problem deciding what colors I want to buy in bigger size, but for now I hope I'll be able to make something even from these little ones and then just keep teeny tiny cord for my reference for later. And I can already see what my favorites are, really. And I love this! I love it. And also the pale pink and the sand that I just showed you. I think they would go nicely together somehow. Look, this baby blue and sand. Oh my goodness, they look so nice together. And this one is just gorgeous. Also, pale pink and sand. But you know what? I would really appreciate your help if you could help me decide what color combinations go together really well. Next, I ordered some brass earring hooks. A lot of them. Not sure why, but they were quite cheap and they are pure brass, if I'm not mistaken. So not plated, nothing, just raw brass. And pretty much all of them are like this. Yeah. Nice earring hooks. And last but not least, I ordered some beads and spirals. I forgot about those. So I ordered these spirals. They are just like the ones from their tutorial. And how many did I order? Just the pair, because I would like to use my own wire and try to make some shapes. Then I ordered loads of these beads, and they are all the same size, these ones. All raw brass and good quality. Again, like I said, that's why I like shopping at Jasper Rocks. See, nice little beads. Love them already. And then I ordered this sample pack of beads. So these are raw brass beads, and you know what's good about raw metal or bare metal, not coated? It's because you can make it nice and shiny, and it will tarnish, but you can polish it and then it will be just like new. So that one I might try to polish. Here are all the samples together, and I just thought it would be fun if you could leave a comment in the comment section and let me know which colors you think would go really nicely together, and I would then try to make something out of those colors. And with that, I would like to say thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much Jasper Rocks for providing people with these craft supplies, because they are pretty amazing. And next time there is gonna be my usual tutorial, and I will be making something spring related, and it's gonna be fun. I'm already working on it. It was actually supposed to be posted today, but it wasn't because something went wrong. And anyways, I love you all, and I will see you next time. Bye. Take care, all of you. Bye.